Welcome to another video in the Learn to Excel series brought to you by Chemical Engineering Life. In this video, we are going to have a look at the two inbuilt functions called the max and the min function. Now, the max is short for maximum, and just like how it sounds like, it tells you the max value in any data set. At the same time, on the other hand, the min, which is short for minimum, it will always give you the lowest value or the minimum value in a selected range of a dataset. So in this video, we will learn how to apply these two and how you can use them in an Excel. So to begin with, we'll have a look at the shopping list that we have on the left hand side. We have the grocery list in column A, and then we have the cost for each individual grocery in column B. And what we would like to know is that if somebody asks you about what is the most expensive price in the shopping list, then what you can easily do is you write an equal sign, you write max, you start the bracket, and then you can already see that the input required for the function are different numbers, which is kind of common sense because you can't really figure out a max or min unless the input given to the function are numbers, right? So we will select this entire range, we'll close that bracket, and it will give us a value of $94. What that means is that the most expensive price or the highest or the maximum price in that selected range is indeed 94. On the other hand, let's say if you are asked to find the cheapest price in the shopping list, then you will do the exact same with an equal sign. You write a min, you start a bracket, and then you select the range for which you would like to find the minimum value. Close the brackets, and there we go. Hence, we now know that the maximum value is $94, whereas the minimum value is $8. And the thing that you need to remember is that the max function and the min function only tells you about what is the highest value within a data set. So for example, in the case of the minimum value, it's $8. It shows up in your data set 4 times. That is something that you cannot know only by the min function, but rather you can couple your min function with the countif function, which can then help you figure out how many times does the minimum value occurs in your dataset. But rather, the max and the min will only provide you with the actual number or with the actual max and the min value. And that's essentially how you use it. And just like I said earlier, that you can only use it on numbers. You can't really use it on strings. You can't really use it on any non-numerical input. On the other hand, you can also use it on dates. So for example, as the second example that we have right here, let's say you have 4 deadlines and you would like to know the highest date. Now the highest date will mean the date that is furthest to in the future, or you could say the highest date in terms of the latest date. So every time you use the max function and I select this range, now the latest date out of all the days that we have here, that should be the 31st of October, right? Then that means that the max function will then print you the 31st of August. On the other hand, if you search for the minimum value in the dates, it will give you the value furthest in the past, which if you look in this case should be the 21st of August 2023. So if I press enter, it then gives me the 21st of August 2023. And that is essentially how you use the max and the min function. And as you can see already, it's relatively very simple function to use, but it can be very handy, especially if you're trying to figure out what are the maximum value, or what are the outliers, and what are the minimum values within a given dataset. Well, thank you for watching. And if you would like to learn more about Excel, then visit the website of Chemical Engineering Life at www.ChemEnggLife.com, where you can sign up for online Excel courses ranging everything from basics to the advanced knowledge, which can help you further excel in your career. And also don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Chemical Engineering Life for more videos. Thank you and have a great day.